we're gonna bake today Salmanat, my favorite when I'm struggling.
Hi guys, welcome to our new video again. Here we are, and today we're going to cook Abby's favorite. What is your favorite again?
I don't know.
She forgot. What is abrazo de Mercedes? She always requesting that one. Okay, let's do it. Okay guys, here we have 8 white. And I don't have cream of tartar. I will use white vinegar. It's 1/2 teaspoon. Now we will put supposed to be it's a 1/2 cup of white sugar, but I put little bit less para hindi siya masyadong matamis. And we will start adding gradually.
Get out, Abby.
Boost mo na. Okay guys, medyo soft thick na siya. Malapit na. Kailangan natin at least medium thick. So now guys, it's already look like stable. We can add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Tablespoon of cornstarch. I think this is okay. It's already stable. So now we're going to transfer here our meringue. So it's almost spread. Kailangan lang natin siyang equal na spread sa whole pan para maging balance siya. Okay guys, ito flat na siya. So lalagyan lang natin siya ng konting design para magandang tignan. Ito. Wavy kasi medyo malaki yung pang wave ko. And then here we go. We can put in the oven now. I did preheated 275 Fahrenheit and we're going to cook in 40 minutes. Okay guys, habang inaantay natin yung meringue, ano na siya sa oven. Sinet ko siya ng 40 minutes. Ngayon, lulutuin naman natin yung filling. Gagawin natin siya. Let's go. So for the filling, we will use the 8 egg yolk. And then we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. And also add this 1 can of condensed milk. Then we will mix well. After that guys, we can add a little bit zest of lime or lemon or vanilla if you like. It's up to you. But me, I will add a little bit lime zest. Then we will mix well until it combine all properly because I put cornstarch, so para mawala yung buo-buo niya. May boiling water na ako, isasalang ko siyang ganito. And then hahaluin natin siya ng pakunti-kunti until it will get smooth. Yung pwede natin itong iwanan paminsan-minsan na haluin lang kasi hindi naman siya masusunog dahil double boiler nga siya. Ayan guys, meron po akong pakialamerang dishwasher. Ayan.
It's me, I hate lime.
Why do you like? Why you hate lime?
Because it's gross.
It's tasty, no? What gross? Yan po, laging nangingilam sa kusina po yan. Hindi ko po alam kung advantage or disadvantage. Pero, thankful na rin po ako at nakakatulong siya. Kaso lang, aksayado po siya sa soap and water. Okay guys, almost sticky na siya. Konti na lang. Guys, I think this is fine. Already stick. Tatanggalin ko na siya sa apoy and then we will add the butter. For the butter, I have 2 tablespoons of butter. Then, mimix well lang natin siya para matunaw siya. Mag-combine ng mabuti. Sarap. Sarap ng amoy. Okay guys, I think it's a well blend already. Just let it cool down until maluto yung ating meringue. Okay guys, luto na yung ating meringue. Ta-transfer na natin siya dito. Wala akong cloth na white. Gagamit na lang ako ng parchment. And then, nidadust ko siya ng mix ng icing sugar and cornstarch. Ayun. Nidadust ko siya dito.
Oh, my mommy!
Yeah, guys, medyo nasira siya. Nabigla ko.
Yeah,
So, it look like this. So, anyway, we're going to add the
oh my
filling
God,
now.
guys, look at this. It's like a room with tin. It's a bad idea. My mom's trying to peel it off.
So,
I was like, oh my God. I was like wondering maybe it's okay, but it was not okay. I thought it would be okay, but no.
yeah. So, we don't need to put all the filling because we can add on the side later. And then just roll it.
Roll like a pan. Roll like a pan. Mommy, roll like a pan. Ow. Yeah.
Okay guys, I'm going to transfer here. Okay guys, now it's time to taste. Anyway, it's still hot. We can taste a little bit, but this is recommended for chilled. We need to chill first before we eat because it's more tasty, and the meringue is more it's a bit how to say that, it's a little bit sticky, but it's more advisable to chill it first before eat. It's advisable to chill it first before we eat. Okay, but anyway, Abby cannot wait. We're going to taste now.
Hey, here you go. Mom, you have to feed me. Maybe I want to take this for my life.
We just eat.
Huh? You feed me. You go first.
Okay. You love it? Is it nice? As I mentioned, it's not too sweet. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you in our next video. Bye!
Like and subscribe.